Senken DSJ-X1 is an integrated high-tech law enforcement body camera, including functions of video, photograph, and recording. It provides clear image, long continuous recording time, covert recording, GPS rapid positioning, Wi-Fi remote control transmission, pass lock. Widely used in each law enforcement department. Strengthen video evidence capture. DSJ-X1 has compact and portable design. Equipped with 2.0-inch TFT HD display, 135-degree horizontal angle, 8 infrared lights, and intelligent night vision switch. The body is made of high-strength flame-retardant plastic, introduced 2-color injection and surface silicone injection molding process, which greatly enhances the waterproof performance and can be normally used in heavy rain. What's more, special process on the circuit board makes a strong seismic capability. DSJ-X1 has strong video processing, light-colored image, a powerful 2304x1296 resolution HD lens, which makes the pixels up to 34 million, an auxiliary lighting, and a 135 degrees ultra-wide angle lens in the front side, ensuring the image no distortion. Also, wide-angle lens satisfying the special needs of a variety of law enforcement. Strong battery for nearly 14 hours continuous recording, which meets the requirement of long time working. At the same time, it has infrared night vision function, can also be clearly record even at night, which ensures complete evidence capture inside. It can take video in different environments with auxiliary light source. Built-in GPS positioning module can play back personnel real-time positioning and law enforcement to effectively manage and supervise the work of officers. Performance. Law enforcement officers sometimes will encounter violent resistance to law in the process of law enforcement, like man-made robbery or damage to the equipment, thereby interferes with the field law enforcement. However, Senken DSJ-X1 reaches industrial-grade 3 defense standard that has excellent waterproof ability, fall and dust-proof. It is also able to operate normally even in severe conditions. Have tested of ring test. Drop test 2 meters. Corrosion test 48 hours. Temperature adaptation test -30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Key durability test. So as to excellent performance, providing a good guarantee for officers to get evidences in various environments.